So I received a gift for Lucas. I am with Aurora. We're going to unbox this. Oh, look at that. It's a pen. Yes. Oh no, wait. I still didn't comb my hair, just woke up so. Oh, look at that. Two. Oh, this is the keyboard, I think. And this is the iPad. Let's see. Oh, wow. Aurora, sorry. She's gone. Aurora, come. Good girl. I'm sorry, okay? Look, she's gonna be. She think I will throw it to her again. So this is the. Oh, so this is the case or keyboard. Oh wow, look at the keyboard. Oh, it's default. Oh, it's like that, okay. It's like a small laptop, yeah? Bad. And this is the pen. Just unbox it. So this is the pen. Oh, cool. These are the charger. Okay, that's it. Where's the pen? Here. Okay, I will charge it first and I'll get back to you guys. So yeah, I just charge it.
Today I'm going to draw space. Yeah. Take me back to Afghanistan. So this is my other drawing. I added the Dune from that one movie, Schmoopy from Blunt Brothers Production, and the Alaskan Bullworm from SpongeBob. And I also made the sun like 10 times bigger in the sky. So yeah, peace out. Next is I'm gonna show you how to add a voice line. So you have to press on audio, press on this plus thing, press auto recorder, and then just hold and press on this, and then say something like this. Hello, I'm Lucas Olsen. Do it like that, and then press upload, and then
Hello, I'm
Yeah.
Lucas Olsen.
alright, bye.